Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Inspect the kyanite carefully before heating to avoid fractures and hazards. Check for hairline cracks and chips that could shatter when heated. Clean the stone with warm water and mild soap and dry it thoroughly. Choose a controlled heat source such as a heating pad or low temperature oven set to 50 degrees C, 122 degrees F. Place the kyanite on a ceramic plate to protect surfaces and heat it slowly. Set a kitchen timer for no more than 10 minutes for the initial warming step. Begin heating the kyanite gradually and monitor the temperature continuously with an infrared thermometer. Keep the heat below 60 degrees C to prevent cracking and preserve the mineral structure. Place the stone on a ceramic plate and allow 5 to 10 centimeters clearance from any flammable materials. Wear heat-resistant gloves when handling warm kyanite and avoid direct skin contact above 45 degrees C. Never leave the heat source unattended and maintain a fire extinguisher nearby for safety. Before therapy, test the warmed kyanite on your inner forearm for no more than 5 seconds to confirm comfort. Apply gentle circular motions when using the stone for muscle warmth or relaxation. Avoid intense pressure. Limit each application to 10 minutes per body area and wait at least 15 minutes between sessions. Keep the stone moving to distribute heat evenly and prevent burns. After use, allow the kyanite to cool fully on a non-conductive surface and store it in a padded box.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.